creatures might we find at the pond, you think?
Frogs.
Frogs, that's a good one. Well done. Come on then. You can be a big daddy frog and you can also do the jumping. Come on then. Rabbit. Rabbit. How high can you jump? Rabbit. 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 You can also be a little baby frog. Come on then. That's a good one. What would be around the pond? Mostly blue, buzzing all the way around. What was that? A dragonfly. Good job. Dragonfly. Bzzz. Bzzz. The other animals in the pond, you think? I think. A fish. Ah, that's a good one. A fish. Come on then. Your lips in here. Might want to wiggle, like the fish is wiggling through the water. What was that? A duck, somebody said. Come on then. Quack, 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 quack. You say louder. Quack, quack, quack. Can you be a baby duck? Baby duck. Grandad duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. What else lives by the pond, I wonder? What's that? A tortoise! A terrapin. Show me. How does the turtle go? They sway, or they sway. And what does the turtle do with their tongues? You do it. You do it. Stick your tongue out and swim your terrapin turtle in the pond. That's good for the tongue and the mouth muscles. Well done. Do you feel warm then?